In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trigger actions from a lost deal in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll have an automation that instantly reacts whenever a deal is marked as lost, helping you stay organized and follow through without manual effort. Start inside your Pipedrive account and look over to the left-hand sidebar. Click the three dots icon to open the expanded menu. From there, choose Automations. This is where all your automated workflows live, and where we'll create a new one to handle lost deals. Now, head to the top right and click the Add Automation icon. You're creating a fresh automation, so think of this as building a simple rule. When something happens to a deal, do something automatically in response. First, set the trigger to an event trigger. In Pipedrive, an event trigger listens for changes that happen to records. Next, select Deal as the item you want to watch, and choose Updated as the event. Updated means any change to a deal could fire the trigger, but don't worry. We're about to narrow it down, so it only runs when a deal is specifically marked as lost. Next, add an instant condition. This is a quick filter that tells the automation to continue only if the deal meets a certain rule. Choose Deal Status and set it to Lost, then apply the condition. With this in place, the automation won't run for every update, only when the deal's status becomes lost. That prevents noise and ensures your workflow is laser-focused on the moment you care about most. Now it's time to select the action. This is what you want Pipedrive to do after the trigger and condition are met. Pick the action that fits your process, whether that's creating a follow-up activity for later analysis, notifying a teammate, moving the deal to a specific stage for review, or sending a templated message. Configure the action details so the outcome matches how your team handles lost deals, and you're done. That's all there is to it. You click the three dots on the left, opened automations, added a new automation, set an event trigger for deal updated, added an instant condition for deal status equals lost, and selected the action you want to run. With this simple setup, you'll save time, keep your pipeline tidy, and make sure every lost deal gets the attention it deserves automatically.